Greetings everyone, glad to see you here to the channel. Thankful for your kind support. This motivates us to bring to you better upload each time. To the ones who are new to this channel, you can click the subscribe button below and the bell icon to stay connected with our upcoming contents. Let's get started. Today we will start a new topic, and that is birds. Birds are beautiful animals that can fly in nature. They are found in different sizes and colors depending where they live. Body parts of a bird. Birds have 2 eyes, 2 wings, 2 legs, 1 beak and 1 tail. Feathers. They have feathers with different sizes and different colors. These feathers are of 3 types. Now here I will say a phrase and I want you to repeat that after me. Do not fear, it is nothing scary. The phrase is down body flight. Down body flight. Down body flight. That's easy. This actually are the 3 types of feathers birds have. Down feathers. There are the down, soft, fluffy feathers that keep the bird warm. What was the second one? I forgot. Oh yes, down body flight. The second one is body feather. It covers the bird and that's all. On to the third one, and this is flight feathers. It is long and is present on wings and tail, which helps the bird to fly. Beak. Birds don't have teeth. They use their beak to catch and eat food. Different type of beak depending on the food they eat. Birds like pigeon, sparrow, peacock have short and strong beak. Duck and goose have broad and flat beak with tiny holes. Eagles, hawk and vulture have strong, sharp and hook-shaped beak. Birds like sunbird and hummingbird have long and pointed beak to suck nectar from flowers. Parrot has short, curved beak to crack nuts. Woodpecker have strong, pointed and chisel-shaped beak. What is chisel? Chisel is cheni. In Hindi, an instrument used to make holes, and woodpecker uses its beak to make holes in tree trunk and pull out insects. Kingfisher and cranes have spear-shaped beak for fishing. Feet and claws. Birds have 2 feet with claws. They use it to walk, hop, to swim, and to hold their food. Different birds with different type of feet and claws. Pigeon, crow, sparrow have 3 toes in front and 1 at the back, and they are called perching birds. Eagles, vultures, and owls have very sharp, curved claws or talons and are called flesh-eating birds. Hens use their claws to scratch and dig ground to find worms. They are called scratching birds. Woodpeckers and parrots have 2 toes at front and 2 at the back to climb trees, and they are called the climbing birds. Herons and cranes have long legs with spread out toes, and they are called wading birds. And finally, ducks And swans have webbed feet and they are called the swimming birds. Such big variety of birds, isn't it? With different features. There are more facts about birds, but that we will take on another video. You can click the I button on the top right to visit and check into the other contents of the channel. In the end of the video, you will see 3 videos and the channel logo on screen. Clicking them will take you to our recommended contents. Till we meet again, happy learning everyone, and take care.